You want your clothes to look great, but dryers can ruin them. And those big, bulky drying racks take up too much space. Well, not anymore. Introducing Laundry Tree, the new floor-to-ceiling drying rack that lets you hang your garments anywhere, even in the smallest spaces. Laundry Tree installs in seconds between the floor and ceiling, has 3 adjustable arms that rotate 360 degrees and adjust up and down, then securely lock into place, creating more space in your home. Laundry Tree is like adding another closet instantly, so your bathroom can go from cluttered to clean, your laundry area from grubby to gorgeous. Even your backyard will go from a wet mess to a dry success. The secret is in the vertical tension suspension, which extends and locks into place between your ceiling and the floor, and is capable of holding up to 50 garments. That's 50 garments! Laundry Tree is also perfect for entranceways and mudrooms to hang backpacks, handbags, or coats. Create your own steaming station and make ironing much more convenient, or put inside your tub to drip dry delicates. This ordinary drying rack collapsed from only 25 pounds, but the Laundry Tree is able to hold 75 pounds. Amazing! So now you can organize kids' heavy sports equipment conveniently in your garage.
My clothes last longer, they stay brighter, and they don't shrink. Laundry Tree is the best.
My closets were so cluttered. Now I have all the storage and organization that I need.
With Laundry Tree, if you've got a ceiling, you've got storage, saving you space, time, and money.
Similar products can sell for over 10,000 pesos. But here today, you're not going to spend anywhere close to that. It's not 10,000, not 8,000, not even 6,000. Not 4,000, and hey, it's not even 3,000 pesos. Because today, as part of our special product introductory promo, you'll receive this amazing product for an unbelievably low, direct from the manufacturer's specially discounted price. And today, we're passing that discount directly on to you. But wait! Call now and you'll get a second piece of this amazing product absolutely free. Wow! You get 2 for the price of just 1, all for our special low discounted price. And there's still more. If you're one of the first 20 callers, we'll send it by express delivery for free. That's right, free delivery anywhere in the country, but you must call now. And we're so confident that you're gonna love this as much as we do that we're going to give you a whole 30 days to try it out for yourself. And if you're not completely 100% satisfied, send it back for a full refund. No questions asked. So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a message right here on Facebook or go to our website at tvshop.ph. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So Facebook message us now or live chat with us at tvshop.ph right now.